Many people dream of the opportunity to earn money without constant work. Passive income means income that is generated without daily work input after the initial investment, be it time, money, or expertise, has been made. In this YouTube video, I will go through 10 different ways in which you can create a passive income stream for yourself. Hi, I am Yannis Weekly from Passive Income Playbook. This channel provides solid information about investing, personal finances, and financial independence. This time the topic is passive income, and I have been netting it for years, for example in the form of affiliate marketing, YouTube advertising income, and dividends. In the future, I also intend to get additional passive income through a book, an online course, and an online store. But without further ado, let's get down to business. Investing in stocks is one of the most common ways to earn passive income. Dividend-paying stocks generate income for the investor without the need for active work. Long-term investing and diversification are the keys to success. However, investing in stocks requires some initial knowledge. It is important to understand which companies are on solid ground and which ones pay dividends regularly. By investing in index funds, for example, you can diversify your risk and still get a steady return over time. Passive stock investing can become a significant source of income over time. Renting out an investment property can provide you with a steady stream of passive income. Long-term rentals provide a steady stream of income, while short-term rentals, e.g. Airbnb, can be more profitable if the property is in a good location. Real estate investing requires an initial investment, but a well-chosen investment property can generate passive income for decades. One strategy is to buy a property with debt, pay it off with rental income, and grow your wealth over time. If you have a specific skill, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. A well-crafted course can generate income for years without any additional work. Creating an online course takes time and effort to start, but once the course is complete, it can sell itself. A good course solves a common problem or provides valuable information that people want to learn. Many educators have achieved significant passive income from online courses. Affiliate marketing involves recommending products or services on your blog or social media, for example. When someone purchases a product using your link, you get paid. This source of income requires building an audience and earning trust. Bloggers, YouTube influencers, and social media personalities can earn significant income by recommending products they use and believe in. YouTube videos can earn you advertising revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate commissions. If your videos get enough views, your channel can generate passive income for a long time. YouTube requires time and effort to create videos at first, but once your videos get views, they can generate income for years. Some content creators have built millions of dollars in revenue streams through YouTube. I have personally earned over €500 in advertising revenue through YouTube in the past 6 months. In addition, I can earn hundreds of euros a month in additional income through commercial collaborations. Publishing an ebook, for example, through Amazon Kindle can be a good source of income. Once the book is finished, it can generate sales revenue without any ongoing work. Writing a book takes a lot of work at first, but if it provides value to readers, it can sell for a very long time. Many authors earn passive income by writing and publishing multiple ebooks on different topics. If you know how to program, you can develop an app or software that generates revenue through one-time payments, subscriptions, or advertising. App development requires technical expertise, but a successful app can generate passive income over a long period of time. For example, mobile apps, add-ons, and tools can generate ongoing revenue from downloads and usage. With the dropshipping model, you sell products without managing inventory. When a customer buys a product from your online store, the supplier ships it directly to the customer, and you make a profit without the storage costs. Dropshipping allows you to run an online store without a large initial investment. However, this business model requires marketing and finding a competitive advantage, as there are many players in the industry. It is also essential to find products that will give you enough margin to make a profitable business. ETFs, bonds, and other investment products can generate steady passive income without active management. This is a good option for those who want a less risky approach. For example, the compound interest effect can increase wealth in the long term as investments grow on their own without constant trading. You can find a comprehensive selection of interest-bearing investments, for example, on Vanguard, where you can save monthly for a small fee in various ETF funds. Graphic designs, photos, music, and other digital downloads can generate income when sold on online stores like Etsy, eBay, or Shutterstock. Selling digital products allows you to generate a revenue stream without having to manage inventory or ship physical products. Many freelancers and creative professionals have found success creating passive income this way. Passive income doesn't just happen out of thin air. It requires an initial investment in time, money, or expertise. However, once a system is built, it can generate income for a long time without daily work. The most important thing is to choose a method that suits you and get started. Some methods require a financial investment, while others are more based on time and expertise. Which of these methods interests you the most? Leave a comment and share your experience. If you are interested in investing your own finances or starting a business, be sure to subscribe to my channel. There are great sets coming every week. Thanks for watching this episode. Next week, something interesting will be here from Finland. That's it for now. See you soon.